G'day, Warbles on a lot to YouTube, with yet another update on the SunFoil project 5th prototype. As you can see, I've had a busy day. I've got into it with a jigsaw, and I would call this pre-carve cutting. There's no point chewing your way through that stuff with a rasp. So I got into it with a jigsaw after having cut, having cut the pylons. There we go, managed the light transition quite well. So the ancestral woodworking tools now get brought out of the bag again, although I would like to say that the jigsaw I used today is the same jigsaw that I bought when Matthew's mother was pregnant with him, and I made the cradle with the same jigsaw that I used to make his wooden SunFoil for the intercooled turbocharged 3-litre diesel Rodeo. So that's not bad, is it? In terms of getting your money's worth out of a 240 volt 250 watt electric jigsaw. Ciao.